Welcome back to Gadget Burst, where we track down the gear that turns an ordinary ride into a high-tech adventure. Today, we're looking at bike gadgets so advanced they feel like they're from the future. If you want to ride faster, stay safer, and outsmart every thief on the block, you're in the right place. Stick with us because these upgrades are absolute game changers. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button or you might just get left in the dust. Is there anything worse than the sound of a power tool cutting through your bike lock? Most locks stand no chance against an angle grinder, but the Hiplok D1000 is built differently. This isn't just a piece of metal, it's a fortress. Utilizing a specialized material called ferrosafe, it actually wears down grinder discs and stalls the motor before it can even bite through. It's lightweight enough for your backpack, but tough enough to make a thief give up in seconds. If you value your ride, this is the ultimate stay-away sign for criminals. Ever wish your bike had its own security guard? Meet the Knog Scout. This ultra-slim device hides under your bottle cage and acts as a dual-threat defense system. Once armed via your phone, any movement triggers a piercing 85-decibel alarm that'll have everyone staring at the culprit. But here's the kicker, it integrates with the Apple Find My network. If your bike does go missing, you can track its exact location using millions of iPhones worldwide. Stealthy, smart, and essential for city riders.
Why settle for a basic helmet when you can wear a light show on your head? The Lumos Matrix is the gold standard of smart protection. The back features a massive 7x11 LED panel that displays scrolling animations and clear turn signals, so drivers know exactly where you're headed. It even detects when you're slowing down and automatically activates a bright brake light. With 1,000 lumens of front and rear visibility, you aren't just wearing a helmet, you're wearing a beacon of safety that looks incredibly cool. Moving right along, let's talk about giving you eyes in the back of your head. Riding in traffic can feel like a guessing game, but the Garmin Varia RTL 515 takes the guesswork out of your safety. This isn't just a tail light, it's a high-tech radar system that scans the road behind you up to 150 yards away. It syncs directly to your bike computer or smartphone, giving you visual and audible alerts as cars approach. The light itself is a powerhouse, visible from a mile away in broad daylight, and it actually changes its flash pattern to grab a driver's attention as they get closer. It's like having a dedicated spotter watching your back, so you can focus on the road ahead. We've all been there, a flat tire miles from home and a hand pump that takes forever. Enter the Cycplus AS2 Pro, the world's smallest and most powerful electric bike pump. This tiny beast fits in the palm of your hand and weighs less than a smartphone, yet it can inflate a road tire to 120 psi in under a minute. It features a precise digital display so you hit your target pressure every single time, and it charges via USB-C in just 20 minutes. Forget the bulky floor pumps or messy CO2 cartridges. This is the pocket-sized insurance policy every rider needs.
If you're serious about your performance, you know that even a few PSI can make or break your ride quality. The Topeak SmartGauge D2X is the precision tool that replaces the thumb test forever. Whether you're dialing in your mountain bike suspension or prepping your road tires, this digital gauge provides laboratory-grade accuracy up to 260 psi. The Hammerhead works with both Presta and Schrader valves without needing any swaps, and the air release button lets you fine-tune your pressure with surgical precision. It's rugged, compact, and the fastest way to ensure your bike is tuned perfectly for the terrain. Ever felt like your bike computer was stuck in the Stone Age? Tiny, laggy screens and confusing maps are a thing of the past with the Hammerhead Karoo. This third-gen powerhouse brings a smartphone-quality experience right to your handlebars. We're talking about a stunning, high-resolution touchscreen that stays crystal clear even in direct sunlight or heavy rain. With 64 gigabytes of storage and a lightning-fast processor, it handles complex navigation and massive map files without breaking a sweat. Whether you're tracking pro-level metrics or just exploring new trails, the Karoo makes every ride feel like a data-driven mission. When the sun goes down, the Magicshine Ray 2600 turns the darkest trails into broad daylight. Blasting out a massive 2600 lumens, this isn't just a light, it's a safety net. It features a unique dual lens system that gives you both a long-range spotlight to see what's ahead and a wide floodlight to illuminate your immediate surroundings. But here is where it gets smart. It has built-in light sensors that automatically adjust the brightness based on your environment, and a vibration sensor that puts the light to sleep when you park to save battery. It even doubles as a power bank, so your phone never dies mid-ride.
You've locked your frame, but what about your expensive saddle, handlebars, or wheels? Professional thieves can strip a bike of its parts in seconds using a simple hex key. That's where Hexlox comes in. These are tiny, magnetic stainless steel inserts that pop right into your existing bolts, physically blocking any tool from getting a grip. The only way to remove them is with your personal coded Hexlox key. They are nearly weightless, invisible to the untrained eye, and give you total peace of mind when you have to leave your bike unattended. It's the ultimate stealth security upgrade. Nothing kills a ride faster than a flat tire, but with Tannus Armour, those days are officially over. This isn't just a liner, it's a high-tech foam shield that sits inside your tire, providing 15 millimeters of puncture protection. Even if you manage to pick up a massive nail, the Ride Flat technology allows you to keep pedaling at limited speeds without damaging your rims. It absorbs vibrations, making your ride feel like you're floating on air, and it adds an extra layer of grip for those tight corners. Whether you're hitting rocky trails or glass-covered city streets, this is the ultimate armor for your wheels. Why look at a screen on your handlebars when you can have a heads-up display right in your field of vision? The BleakUp Ranger AI sports glasses make you feel like a fighter pilot. These aren't just sunglasses. They use augmented reality to project your speed, heart rate, and navigation directly onto the lens. Using built-in AI, they can even analyze your performance in real time and give you coaching cues to help you push harder. They're lightweight, aerodynamic, and feature voice control, so you never have to take your hands off the bars. It's the future of cycling, worn right on your face. Want the power of an e-bike without spending thousands on a new ride? Meet the Livall PikaBoost. This ingenious device installs on your seat post in under 30 seconds. No tools, no wires, and no mechanical experience required. Once it's on, the motorized wheel sits against your rear tire, providing instant pedal assistance that makes hills feel like flat ground. It features a smart gyroscope that automatically cuts power if you tilt too far or fall, and it even has a regenerative braking system that charges the battery while you coast. It's the fastest, easiest way to level up your commute and arrive at your destination without breaking a sweat. From unhackable locks to AI-powered glasses, your bike just got a serious promotion. Thanks for hanging out with us on Gadget Burst. We want to know, which of these gadgets is going on your wish list first? Is it the PikaBoost e-bike converter or the Hiplok Fortress? Drop a comment below and let's talk gear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest bike tech, smash that like button and subscribe so you're always the first to see the next wave of gear we uncover. Until next time, ride smart and stay safe.